Want to build up your savings but find it really hard to stop spending? Today I'm going to show you 3 simple ways that you can save your money without even needing to try. It's simple, it's easy, and you can start today. I'm Marissa Roberts from beautifulyorganised.com, and today I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite super easy ways to save some money without the stress and overwhelm. No hard work, you just set it all up and it basically takes care of itself. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe while you're here so you can get weekly tips on how to get organized easily and enjoy a simpler life. If you find it hard to save money, you are not alone. Lots of us, especially those of us with young families, those of us who have only one parent working, or if you're a single parent, if you're only working part-time hours to fit around your family, it can really be a struggle to put money aside to save up for the bigger things. So today I'm going to show you how to save up for the things that you want or need so that you don't have to go into unnecessary debt in order to pay for them. Now, all of these steps are related to your bank account, so we're going to discuss the setup, the access, and the payment in order to get your savings going on autopilot. So to set this up, you want to open up a separate savings account with your bank, but it's really important that this new account, you keep it off your internet banking. The less you see it, the less you're going to think about it. Go for one of the accounts that reward you with a higher interest rate if you put money in regularly and don't take the money out. Now for the access, when you open the account, make sure you do not order a key card or a debit card for this account. If you already have a key card or a debit card, make sure you do not link this new account to your existing card. You want to set it up so that if you have to get the money out or you really need to spend that money, then you must go into the bank in person in order to get it. We want to make it really inconvenient for you to get that money out again. If it's harder to access, you won't spend it as easily. You won't spend it without thinking. It takes a lot of extra time to go into the bank in person and wait in line to be served. So you're going to find yourself really thinking about whether or not you actually need to make that purchase. Is it worth the trip all the way to the bank in person? Now for the payment. Put your savings away first every time you get paid. Even if it's only $10 or $5 or $1, pay yourself before you pay anybody else. And set it up to transfer automatically so that when you get paid, your savings goes directly into your savings account without you even seeing it or touching it. Money just goes up and builds without you even being aware it's there. You can set this up with your workplace, or you can set it up online with your bank account. That way, the day your pay comes in, a little portion of it is taken straight into your savings account on the same day, all by itself. You do nothing. So now we've taken care of putting your savings on autopilot. You've done your setup, your access, and you've taken care of regular payments. Now, if you want some more easy tips on how to save money easily, because every little thing that you do really does add up, then head over to my website. I've got a free gift for you. It's my simple savings cheat sheet, and it has 10 other really easy ways that you can save money in everyday life. So you can start filling up that savings account from today. To check it out, just click the link under this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. We also have tons of other videos ready for you to watch right now that are going to help you simplify your life and get a little more organized so you just have more time for fun and to relax. Make sure you check them out while you're here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.